the Catholic Church in that thick book, which is the basis of everything that we believe. There are 4 sections, important sections in the Catechism, and it is based on the Latin lex credendi, is lex orandi, is lex vivendi. The law of faith is the law of prayer and also the law of life. That's a translation of it. And the sections of the Catechism of the Catholic Church, first is the lex credendi, what to believe. Ano ang ating pinapaniwalaan, ang ating pananampalataya. So, it discusses the symbols of faith, the Apostles' Creed, I believe in God, the Athanasian Creed. Then you have the what to celebrate. First is what to believe. And when we believe, we celebrate it. So what to celebrate? Ando doon yung mga sacraments and sacramentals. So the celebration of baptism, celebration of the Mass, ordination, wedding, everything is in there. Then you have the what to believe, what to celebrate, what to pray. Ano ba ang ating official prayer? The Lord's Prayer. What to pray? Yan, mahalaga yon. At yung pang-apat ay ang the center of Christ ministry, the Beatitudes, ethics, how to live, paano tayo mamuhay, paano tayo makipagrelasyon sa ibang tao, paano tayo mag-communicate, paano natin maibabahagi sa iba. And today, the Beatitudes, which is the center of Christ's ministry, tells us yung iba-ibang klase ng blessedness. The Lord mentioned this is an important, in Greek you called it makarios. Ang rendering niyan ay blessed or fortunate, happiness. Paano ba tayo maging masaya? In the history, you may maybe remember Aristotle telling us of the eudaimonia, which is, rendered as happiness, and also the categorical imperative of Kant, which is also the basis of justice as happiness by Habermas. Now, the most important thing here is for us to know, para sa atin, sa inyo, ano ba ang happiness? Kaligayahan. Paano ka ba magiging masaya? And the gospel today, the Beatitude tells us, this is something conditional. These are conditional phrases. Bakit ito conditional phrases? Ito yung condition, ito yung mangyayari. Blessed are they who mourn, that's the condition, for they will be comforted. Blessed are the merciful, ito ang effect, for they will be shown mercy. Sa atin, iba-iba tayo siguro ng dahilan kung tinanong tayo kung paano tayo maging masaya. Kasi iba-iba tayo ng level kung para sa akin bilang pare, ano ba sa akin ang kaligayahan? Sa inyo, sa nanay, sa tatay, sa lawyer, sa doktor, ano ba sa inyo ang kaligayahan? There is this from Haffert, from American fairy tale about 5 important things or 5 responses. Ano ba yung happiness? Unang-una sinabi niya na some people would say happiness is about things. Accumulation of things. Kaya some people, they are happy when they collection of coins, old coins, collection of stamps, maybe collection of guns, or maybe yung inyong cabinet, ang inyong damit para ng department store, sa dami, collecting things, collection of shoes, lahat ng kulay, lahat ng palette, you experience happiness when you collect things. Ang iba naman, collection, happiness is about the things that we do. And when we do things, it earns. So some people, the more the merrier. No? That would say, more the merrier. So, daghang bahay ba? May bahay dito, may sa Davao, may sa Baguio, may sa Batanes, may sa Amerika. Then, you have a car for Monday, car for Tuesday, car for Wednesday, until Sunday. And we are all we're not satisfied. Some people, they would say, happiness is about mental health. Pag konti ang problema, mas masaya. No? Pag mas kaunti ang problema. But in reality, ang mga problema natin ay, nananahimik lang, tapos umaya, meron na naman, tapos nawala, tapos meron uli. No? And that's reality. But to some people also, is the accumulation of gadgets. No? Hindi makatulog pag wala yung mga gadgets. So may TV doon, may TV doon. Siguro yung isang bahay na maliit, 10 TV, no? And they are not satisfied. Now, my dear brothers and sisters, again, tinatalakay po dito yung kaligayahan. And pinapaalala sa atin ng Panginoon, what does it profit a man gaining the whole world and loses the soul? So, although yung mga bagay na meron tayo, mahalaga yan, no? But of course, yung relasyon natin sa Panginoon. And I am happy na tayong lahat dito, hindi tayo nakakalimot at nandito tayo nagdadasal, nagsisimba because hindi lang tayo kasi masaya, kundi ang pinapahalagan din natin ang relasyon sa Panginoon. My dear brothers and sisters, again, we are reminded by the Lord, blessedness is inside and outside. So, yung ating growth, all the relationship with others, but also the inside, our hearts, relasyon natin sa Panginoon. Please stand.